Altair Monarch Data Prep Studio connects to multiple data sources, including PDFs, spreadsheets, and reports core to a business. With PDFs, Data Prep Studio only works with the actual text of the report and strips away its presentation layer, which includes formatting and images. To illustrate, here we have a PDF report showing the amount of inventory this clothing business has on hand. In Data Prep Studio's report design, the columns of the report may not always be perfectly aligned as we see here. For one, different font sizes appear in the report. This is problematic when aligning tabular data using the simple engine mode and may make the creation of templates more challenging than it should be. This is where the expert engine and the document options comes in. With this mode, you are given manual control over the vertical alignment of tabular data. Let's see how we can work with the expert engine to align the columns of this report as consistently as possible. Start with the stretch setting. Increasing this expands the width of the report and pulls groups of text further apart. Now let's work on the actual alignment. Use the alignment guides to gauge where column data should line up. This column is mostly straight except for the lower section. Click on a position and then on Add L to force the values to be left aligned on that position. Do the same for the next few columns. Note that the alignment snap also comes into play. This controls how far an alignment guide can reach to grab text. Here, though, it looks like two columns were treated as one. To fix that, let's try text merge. This controls how strongly text fragments snap to the alignment guide. Reducing this will break the text up, which is what we want. Notice how this may affect the alignment of the other columns, particularly the second column. We'll attend to that later. Now that the two merged columns are broken up, we can also align the separated column and even drag it to a new position. Go ahead and left align and adjust the positions of the succeeding columns as well. Now let's go to this column. The text was misaligned as we were adjusting the text merge earlier. It looks like left alignment still doesn't straighten the column. Decreasing the text merge property snaps the fragments into place. The next columns are easily straightened out when we select a position using the alignment guide and force a left alignment. You can also right-click and choose Create Left Alignment from the context menu. Notice that the column headers are also aligned with the rest of the text. For this last column, we want the text further away from the previous one. Let's have the values aligned to the right instead. Now our columns are neatly aligned and we can go ahead and click on Accept. Auto-define also perfectly captures the report data. In this video, we saw how the Expert Engine mode gives us manual control over defining the alignment of columns in PDFs. This allows for simpler trapping and better results when applying auto-define. With that, the extracted data is now ready to be cleansed, combined with other data sources, transformed, and summarized for analytic use.